Hi guys, how to properly load stain in Unity. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. We have game stain, but we want to pass analytics or data to the preload stain. How to do it right? Now let's write the loading of the stain in single player mode and adaptive mode and see what problems there are. Single mode, we have the previous stain fully loaded and we will not be able to take any information. Adaptive mode, information remains from the previous stain, but objects appear in the loading stain. And there is a problem in the future when unloading the stain. If we need it or restarting the game stain, the player will be a duplicate and will always remain. We improve our logic and switch the active stain when the stain is loaded, and this will solve our problem. Now we see that the player is in the right place and we have no more problems. Thank you for watching. Write in the comments what else you want to see.